If you can correctly answer all the questions, you are a brilliant genius. What is the largest type of big cat in the world? The answer is B, tiger. What gas do plants primarily use for photosynthesis? The answer is B, carbon dioxide. What is the primary source of food for a koala? The answer is C, eucalyptus leaves. What is the primary source of energy for Earth's climate system? The answer is B, sun. Which is the smallest bird in the world? The answer is A, hummingbird. Please comment your scores below, and follow us for even more quizzes.